How to delete Reddit history on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can delete the Reddit history on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete your Reddit history on iPhone, if you go ahead and then let's say open up the Reddit app and then you want to view your history, then tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side. Then from here simply go to the option called history. Here you will see a history of everything that you see and have viewed on Reddit. Now if you want to clear them, all you have to do is tap on the three dots option next to that little Reddit post. Then you'll find the option called hide. So when you tap on hide, that particular post will get hidden from your history. As a result, it will get deleted. And this way you will be able to delete your Reddit history on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.